Hi, sir. So, common dyan nga point of confusion, sir, sa books because makalibog man good. So, kanang acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Ang pasabot ani nga the negative sign always means nga the acceleration's direction is downwards because sa atong earth, if you are here, this is your stone or whatever, that stone will always be attracted to the earth towards the center of the earth, which is if nakadiri towards that center of the earth is the direction downward. So muna sir, if unsay values on what is acceleration due to gravity, it's really negative 9.8 meters per second squared. However, makasabot pug ko sa confusion sa libro because sa libro magod sir, when you use the formula, for example, the formula which is displacement along y is equal to vit plus biy along vi along y times t plus 1/2 at squared, and then obviously the acceleration here is due to gravity. So na ibang libro sir nga instead of using this equation, they use this equation instead. So instead of dy, they use y, which is the distance along y, and then vi along y times t, and then minus 1/2 ag t squared. So if you notice sir, ang negative sign is na-incorporate na sa formula. So mo na nga, if na-incorporate na sa formula, if this is the formula you use, so the ag now becomes 9.8 meter per second squared. Wa na ang negative because na-incorporated naman sa formula ang negative. But kung gusto kag mas general nga approach, kanang mas applicable bisag di lang sa acceleration due to gravity, but any acceleration, kani jud siya ang format. But kung kani imong format, that means that you have to keep in mind that your acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So murag ang point of confusion lang sir is the use of different formulas. So again, ang tinuod nga value is negative 9.8 meters per second because this negative tells you that gravity is always downwards, because when an object is here, it's always pulled towards the center of the earth, and from your perspective, that direction is downwards. So if you get the general form of if you use the general form of the formula, it would be velocity initial times time plus 1/2 a t squared, but the a here inside is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So if you use a slightly modified formula specific for the y component of projectile motion, which is I think what is in your grade 9 book, na alam may negative daan, so this ag here is 9.8 na lang sir. So I hope that clarifies some of the concepts, and if napangay pangutan sir, just tell me, I will gladly reply.